what are you going to use to mix your cake? I would recommend that you grab yourself a hand mixer. These are invaluable and so handy. With a hand mixer, and again, they don't have to cost a lot. If you look on places like Amazon, you can get it for about, I think, £40, £45, something like that works very well. Make sure that you buy a good brand, and they're not expensive. You don't have to splurge and buy the expensive one like a KitchenAid, although those are fancy and very nice to have and probably work a bit quicker, a bit faster, because the motors, that's where the difference are. The more expensive brands have better motors, so they mix things up quicker and a bit more effective, but a standard one works as well. And this one is new. I've only bought it at the end of last year, because the one that I had, which I have had since I started baking, like 2023, only just died last year. So it lasted me that long, and it cost me £10. And it lasted. It wasn't the most efficient, but it worked well. So if you are new, starting out your baking journey, then you don't have to get a super expensive one. Just buy one that you can afford. It will help you, particularly when you are making your buttercream, because if you are trying to make buttercream using the alternative, which is using a whisk, and this is just a standard kitchen whisk or spatula, it needs a lot more elbow grease, and you get a good arm workout doing that. And actually it can be off-putting. So if you're making things like buttercream, and just for general purposes, especially to making like bigger cakes, then having a simple hand mixer will help you as well and make the process less tedious. So that is, I would put that into essential tools to have.